So there's a huge impact. And one of the young men said to me, I should have not been at the prison at age 18, only if my father was there. He said to me, Khanyi, I started gangsterism at age 18, starting to steal small things, and I started to be disrespectful to my mother, to my siblings in the community. And umntwana lowo uma eqhubeka ekhula uthi at age 13 bese ngiqalile mina sengitshontsha imoto, 14 ngase ngidla inyawupe newunga, uthi at age 16 I was a murder, ngase ngibulala abantu more than 15. I've killed more than 15. At age 19 I'm in jail for a life sentence in one of the prisons here in South Africa. Uthi kumina ke Baba Khanyi, only if my father was there I should have not been here. Okungukuthi ke amadoda, they don't know. This is what we were talking about yesterday. Ukuthi there's an impact abayenzayo that they don't know to our kids by rejecting your kids, for being there for your child. A child being raised with a single woman. It's not easy.